Hi everyone, I am Rohan from Quicksens Innovation. In this video, I will explain about wardrobe sensor WR07. This is the wardrobe sensor WR07. We can use it in wardrobe, cabinet and almiras. Now I am unboxing it. This is the sensor. So talking about its wiring, connection and working, this is a DC sensor, work on DC 12 volt supply and output also DC 12 volt. So here is PIR switch and the output side is clearly shown here. This wire is output side, this is output side, here shown output, and this is input side. So 12 volt supply connected through this wire 12 volt supply, DC supply connected through input side. Here is shown input, and our load connected through output side, here clearly shown output, and this is the output wire, LED strip connected through this wire output side. And here is a knob, you can see clearly, this is knob. You can rotate it through any screwdriver. This is the time knob, minimum 15 second to 360 second. You can adjust according to your need. Time delay knob, this is time delay knob. So minimum to maximum you can adjust, after which there is no motion. If there is no motion, then the light is getting automatic off by what time, and this decides 15 second to 360 second. And there is sensor. This is 140 degree detection range, 140 degree from this detection distance, and load should be up to 80 watt DC strip light. 80 watt load can be at this sensor. So I am going to connect it through the supply and through the load, and showing you about its working. So this is input side. This wire connect through DC supply 12 volt. Here is DC 12 volt supply. I have connected it through this wire. This supply wire, 12 volt supply through adapter, connected input, and output connected through load. This is the load, LED strip light, and through a connector. Here is clearly mentioned positive, negative. So LED strip positive and negative side wire connect through this, and it's connected through this. Now I have connected it through input side, and in output side load is connected LED strip as per the wiring diagram. Now I am switching on the light. First time by default it turn on the light, and now it work on motion. If any motion detected, then light will on. Light is getting on the motion, and if there is no motion, then it will automatic getting off. So just wait for 15 seconds. Light is getting automatic off, light is getting automatic on, and just wait for 15 seconds. It will automatic getting off if there is no motion. So you can adjust the time delay on the back side of this sensor to 15 second to 360 second. So this is all about this motion sensor, wardrobes applications of this sensor. So thank you so much.